Hi there guys, welcome to another video. I'm Haribo, welcome in. Today we're going to be talking about Beats headphones. This actual set of headphones has been repaired 4 or 5 times by myself, so I know as well that it's a common fault. If your earphones are looking anything like this, where it's literally just hanging on by literally the thread, then this is the video you need to watch. I sent these off the first time it happened to Beats, and they sent it back saying that it was something that I'd done, which it wasn't. You know, just over time, the screw that I'll show you comes loose, and then it just uncouples itself. So yeah, they sent me the headphones back. I did a bit of research into how the construction was for the headphones, and I found that, you know, if you look at it, if you actually look, it's quite hard to spot. But anyway, let's go through it. Okay, so what we've got here is, you can see, this arm here usually slides between that framework there. Now what you've got is, I don't know if you can see it at the moment, you'll see it in a second though, there's a little screw there, and that screws into another little arm that's on this part. So you've got the plastic part on the outside and this rubber part on the inside. Now this rubber part here, it actually comes away. It's not going to feel like it's going to come away at first, but it does. I've seen another video, another example of this done, where he actually pulled this right off from the edge, like basically just like that. So you pull that away from the edge there, yeah. And what you'll see is, as we pull this off, so this is a rubber piece. This is literally, it's almost just, it holds the cables there, and you'll see now that screw is now exposed. Yeah, that screw just pops off, yeah, slides out, and what you're left with is the metal arm inside, yeah, the plastic outer case, and this rubber inside piece. Okay, so what you want to do is, you actually want to screw these two pieces together, and that screw is going to sit inside this part of the arm. So it's quite awkward. What you've kind of got to do is you've got to slide everything into space, get that up there, so it's in the right kind of area. Yeah, and I've got to flip this down now, and what you'll see is, you can just see it there, just inside there next to my fingernail there. That's where the screw needs to go through. You put the screw in there, bear with me. Just going to tighten this up, just give me a second. So I've just screwed that in properly, just off camera. I had to go and find a little screwdriver there. So literally now you can see that moves as it should, up and down that slider. Now what happens is, this rubber case, as it goes back on, if you remember how I slid the screw out from, can you see how the screw actually slides into that portion? So as we put this back on, you can't just, kind of just forcibly clip it back on. What you want to do is, you want to hook the screw with the bottom part, yeah. So it's secured on the bottom. This rubber piece is secured on the bottom from the head of the screw, and then clip that back in, and there you have it. That'll move as it should, just like the other one. There you go. I hope this helps, guys. Obviously, I thought my set was literally unrepairable. As they told me, it's like literally there's nothing they could do about it, and it was literally just a loose screw. Hope this helps, guys. You take it easy now. I'll see you in the next one.